quick update video about France. Basically, we have sold the house. We signed the sale documents yesterday, so that's the end of that chapter. Unfortunately, it's one of those things. We tried. I wouldn't say we failed, but we give it a good go. But time isn't on our side. Yeah, we're just too busy all the time to get over there. Costs of it, all the time spiral out of control. So, yeah, being realistic, we're better off not having it. I need some time off, as opposed to having a holiday that involved building work, shoveling earth, etc., etc. So, yeah, so that's going to be the end of this channel, unfortunately. There will be a new channel, which is going to be based around our travels. We have a few vintage vehicles, one of which is there, the other of which is just underneath the camera there, which is an old Volkswagen Beetle. We've also got a Caddy Maxi, which we're going to convert into a camper, so that's going to be on our new channel. And also we've got a big trip planned, or planning next year, to Norway, which we're going to take the Caddy around Norway, not the split screen. Maybe, we'll see, but no, the Caddy. So yeah, so thank you to everybody who's followed the channel, subscribed to the channel, all the really kind messages we've had, and to the not so kind messages we've had, well, silly, but we don't care. But yeah, thank you all for watching. It's been a good journey, we've enjoyed it, and we don't regret any of it. So thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.